25 amazing tech gifts under $25 each. Let's start with the Rolling Square 6-in-1 USB-C charger cable. This is $19 on Amazon right now. This is literally the only charger cable you'll ever need for charging anything. It's a patented design that allows you to charge USB-C to Lightning, USB to micro USB, and much more. Any kind of charging you want to do, you can do with this tiny little cable. Take it along with you anywhere you go. You can charge your phone. You can charge your iPad. You can charge anything with it. And it also has a magnetic design. That means you can just loop it around your keychain and carry it like that. And you can also charge your phone from your iPad. If you connect the cable from the iPad to your phone, it'll charge your phone. So it's got multiple users. It's a tiny thing. It's just for $19. And it's such a brilliant gift. Remember, all links are in the description below. Next up, we have a really cool car foam holder. This is the Lancaster car foam holder. You will not find a more secure car foam holder than this. It's non-slip. It's got a design that completely protects your phone and encases it. It's just around $14 on Amazon. As long as your device is between 6 to 12 millimeters in thickness, it'll work. It is compatible with a wide range of phones and devices, from iPhone 15, 14, Samsung Galaxy Note, S20 Plus, to Garmin devices and more. It's got a wide base with a silicone texture underside and sticky pads that keep it very stable. And no matter how suddenly the car stops or there's emergency braking, it'll not come loose. The best thing is it's completely washable. And once you wash it, you can clean it and reuse it. But you have to have an area of approximately 5 inches by 5 inches on your car's dashboard to install this car foam holder. Next, we have an item locator, which is also a key finder. It's a popular Bluetooth tracker, the TileMate. It's for $17 on Amazon. It has a battery that lasts up to 3 years. It comes with an app and you connect your TileMate to anything. Your keys, your backpack, your purse, any device, your phone, wallet, and use the app to locate it wherever it is. If it is within Bluetooth range, you can use the app to ring the tile and locate it. If it is out of Bluetooth range, then you just go onto the app and find your tile's most recent location on a map. Another interesting feature it has is that if you double press the button on your tile, it'll make your phone ring even if it's on silent. At $17, it's a fantastic gift for any man. This next gift idea is a tool, the iFixit Moray driver kit with 32 precision bits, which will delight anyone who likes to tinker around with devices, likes to open them and fix them, whether it's smartphones or game consoles or small electronics. This kit has multiple head styles from Phillips heads, swivel to hex to tri-point, Torx. It's a small little toolbox, and it's got a lot of uses, and it also has a SIM eject pin and a magnetic bit socket. This next gift idea is for someone who wants to turn their smartphone into a telephoto camera. This 32x long focus telephoto phone lens is for iPhones and Android phones, and it's just $19. It has an anti-shake design for clearer and better images. It has an easy cell phone fixture that adapts to all kinds of smartphone cameras. It's very small, very light, and it will give tremendous results to photography with your phone. Here's another device that will make your phone quite cool. This is a 16-inch mobile phone screen magnifier. This is a screen magnifier projector screen. It's for $22. With this screen magnifier, you'll be able to see images much larger, especially when you're watching a movie or seeing anything that you want to enjoy in a larger size. It also protects your eyes from blue radiation. It does not require any power. It's portable, and you can see it from a distance of 1.5 to 2 meters. A great gift at just $22. Next, we have a really cool-looking holder for a gaming controller or a mobile phone. This is a Call of Duty Ghost Warzone mobile phone holder. It's a figure with his hands, held out where you can place your gaming controller or your phone. It looks really cool, costs $22, and anyone will be delighted to get a gift like this. Next up, we have something very different, the Rocketbook Core reusable spiral notebook. It has letter-size black line pages that are app-connected. These pages are erasable. It's great for school and work and creative projects. You basically write on it, draw on it, sketch on it, digitize it, erase it, and then rewrite. It comes with the included Pilot Friction pen, and you get a Rocketbook app for your mobile device from which you can digitize effortlessly anything on this page that you make. A really cool tech notebook for just $23. And now, for anybody who loves their wine, here is an electric wine bottle opener, which also has a foil cutter. It's for $24. It's a cordless electric bottle opener, and on a single charge will last for around 6 to 8 hours. It'll open 30 bottles on a single charge. I'm sure no one needs to open 30 bottles, but yes, it has this capacity. And it has a very simple push-button operation. The foil cutter will allow you to easily remove seals, and it has a very comfortable grip handle. Next up is a Kazu men's vintage watch. This is a watch that all of us have seen at some point of time. It's a real vintage classic watch that everybody loved and still loves. It is just $16. If you want to go retro, then this is the gift to give. It has a digital stopwatch, hourly time signal, auto calendar, and day date, and it's water resistant, but not waterproof. Next up is a really high-class, high-quality Acer card reader. This is an SD card reader. It supports the latest UHS-2 memory cards and gives fantastic speeds of up to 312 megabytes per second. This micro SD card reader allows you to read and write data on 2 cards at the same time. It has a US-H2 SD slot and a US-H2 micro SD slot. You can read a wide variety of memory cards from SDHC to SDXC to micro SDHC, and for about $23, it is a great tech gift. If the person you want to gift to owns an Apple Watch, then this gift is a real showstopper. It's a portable wireless charger for Apple Watch Series 10, 9, 8, all of them. It's a compact magnetic 1000 mAh battery Apple Watch charger, which has got a built-in key ring so you can carry it along with your keys. This charger charges up in 1.5 hours, and it's great for a weekend getaway or emergency charging of your Apple Watch. Up next is a really nifty device for your outdoor outlets. Especially in this holiday season, you need to connect lights to outdoor outlets. And this Wise Plug has dual outlets and energy monitoring, and has a Wi-Fi range of 300 feet for you to control it from anywhere around your house. It is IP64 weather resistant, and you get independent control of both outlets. This next gift idea is for $15 on Amazon, and it's such a neat little device. It's the OXO Good Grip Sweep and Swipe Laptop Cleaner. It's double-sided. The microfiber pad removes fingerprints and smudges. The soft brush sweeps away dust and dirt. A small little device with everything you need to clean your laptop screen and the entire laptop. And our next gift idea is another tool, but this is a cordless screwdriver with speeds of up to 300 RPM. It's great for smaller tasks and DIY projects powered by a 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery. It comes with 9-piece bits and a 1-piece bit holder. It has a USB-C charging cable and 3 torque settings, and it also has an LED light that illuminates the work area. An excellent gift for someone who likes tools, especially automatic tools. Next is another tool, but it's totally different. This is a 9-in-1 Multitool Pen. A great gift for men who want something easy to carry around, but with which they can do a lot of things. It's a ruler, phone holder, LED flashlight, bottle opener. It's a level 2-in-1 flathead and Phillips screwdriver, and it also has screen touch properties that means you can use it to scroll your Kindle, tablets, and more. For all those men who are always driving in their cars or the motorcycles, or even riding their bicycles, this portable tire inflator is a great option. It's a digital air compressor 12 volts DC. It has a maximum pressure of 150 psi, and it can inflate a car tire from 0 to 35 psi in under 5 minutes. And the best thing is that it will stop automatically when the tire gets inflated. It also comes with a torch light in case you have to work in the dark, and it has 4 nozzles and 1 extra fuse, allowing you to inflate tires from compact or mid-size sedans, SUVs, motorcycles, bikes, or even sports equipment like basketballs and more. Our next gift is for someone who uses an iPhone. This is the iPhone Cleaning Kit, a multi-tool that is great for cleaning your iPhone charging port. It's a US patent pending iPhone cleaning kit. It has tools numbered 1 to 6, and you use tools 1 to 3 to clean and remove any dirt from the charging port, and tools 4 and 5 will make your cables absolutely new. It has been named the top innovative product of 2022 by USA Today. It comes for just $24 on Amazon. Next up, we have another Apple device, the Apple AirTag. Very high quality for tracking your items using the Find My app. It has a one-tap simple setup to connect your AirTag with your iPhone or iPad. You can ask Siri for help to find things, and it uses ultra-wideband technology for precision finding. You get an Apple AirTag for $23 on Amazon. Next up, we have a really cute and hugely loved Bluetooth speaker, the BT Boomer Star Wars, the Mandalorian speaker. It's just 2 inches tall, has Bluetooth 5.0 technology, a 30 feet wireless range, and on a single charge it will play over 4 hours of music. It has a micro USB charging cable, and if you buy 2 BT Boomers, then you can actually enjoy wireless stereo sound by connecting to both of them. A super cute and useful gift idea. Our next gift idea is for someone who likes to go outdoors. This is a Thermacell Mosquito portable repeller. It gives a 15 feet zone of protection. It comes with a 12-hour refill. It's DEET-free. It comes with 3 4-hour repellent mats and a 12-hour fuel cartridge. It's a great portable mosquito repellent for camping, fishing, hunting, or just going into your backyard. It's priced at $19 on Amazon. Our next gift idea is a very nifty glove, the flashlight gloves. LED flashlights on these gloves point to exactly where you need the light. All you need to do is wear these gloves, press the button to switch it on, and you've got a LED light lighting up your area no matter where you are, no matter what you're doing. This one-size-fits-all glove fits most hands, even stretches for large hands. It's a really cool and interesting gift idea for any man. If you end up having a messy desk, then this TRZ Life Desk Mini Vacuum is a great gift. It'll work great anywhere, but is especially useful for your keyboard, your table, small messes that happen around the house. It has a Type-C charging port and a 1400 mAh rechargeable battery for longer working time and very strong suction. It's compact, very smart looking, and has a one-switch operation. Next up, we have a really innovative device, a remote control for turning pages on the Kindle app, or for scrolling on TikTok, or for video recording, or taking a photograph on any device. This tiny device, priced at $19 on Amazon, will allow you to remotely control TikTok, Kindle, and much more. You will not have to swipe the screen when watching videos or tap on it to go from one page to the other when reading a book. It allows you to scroll up and down, swipe right and left, pause, start, increase and decrease volume. However, it'll not work directly with a Kindle Paperwhite, but only with the Kindle app on your smartphone or tablet. Very popular and well-loved for people who like to scroll through their social media very often. The next gift idea for men is a neck fan, which is portable, powered by a 4000 mAh battery, which is USB-C rechargeable. It's quiet and has got 4 adjustable speeds. It's great if you're in the office or you're traveling or you're outdoors. It'll keep you really cool. It's a great personal cooling device. It can lower your skin temperature by up to 18 degrees Fahrenheit in seconds, and it'll give you 5 to 16 hours of continuous cooling on a single charge. It's priced at $24 on Amazon. So that's it. We have come to the end of this video. Those were the 25 amazing gifts that any man will love, all priced under $25. It's the season to give gifts, and if you pick one of these, it'll definitely make whoever receives it very happy. Do like, share and subscribe to Up on Top for more videos like this. And please share your tips and thoughts in the comments section below.